In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop getting Substack emails efficiently and effectively. Whether you're overwhelmed by the number of emails you receive or simply want to fine-tune the communications you get, this guide will walk you through the essential steps, helping you regain control over your inbox in just a few minutes. First, let's explore how to completely stop receiving emails from a particular Substack publication. To start, open an email from the specific Substack publication you wish to unsubscribe from. Within that email, look for an unsubscribe link. This is usually found at the bottom of the email, so take a moment to scroll down and find it. Once you click on this unsubscribe link, you'll be directed to a confirmation page. This step is crucial because, usually, you need to confirm your decision to ensure you are fully unsubscribed from that particular publication. However, it's important to note that unsubscribing from emails does not cancel your subscription to the publication's content, it merely halts the email notifications. If you're not quite ready to completely unsubscribe but wish to reduce the frequency of emails, there are alternative options available. First, navigate to substack.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from the list. This will transport you to an area where you can manage different aspects of your Substack account. Under the Subscription section, you'll discover a comprehensive list of all the publications you're currently subscribed to. Click on the specific publication whose email notifications you want to alter. This will lead you to the Publication Settings page. Scroll down until you find the Notification section. Here, you'll encounter two main options: Post and New Chat Threads. If you choose to toggle off the Post option, you'll stop receiving emails for new posts made by that publication. This can be incredibly helpful in reducing the volume of emails, especially if the publication is known for frequent posts. Alternatively, or in addition, you have the choice to toggle off new chat threads to cease emails about new discussions in Substack chat. These settings offer you the flexibility to customize your email notifications according to your preferences without fully unsubscribing from the publication. By following these steps, you can effectively manage how and when you receive communications from Substack, allowing you to keep your inbox organized and more aligned with your needs.